In this video we are going to learn about functions library. Right, before starting, better to clear this content. So just I wanted to show you, that's what I purposely typed this. Now to clear the content, you click this cell, right, left using left mouse button and drag up to where you want to clear the content. Then make sure the home tab be selected, then here the clear drop down menu, you select clear all, then it will clear everything. Now there are libraries we can use to calculate certain mathematics functions. Now for example, GCD, greatest common divisor. Now for example, I'll take this, let's say 15, then take 45. Right, let's say now we need to find the GCD, greatest common divisor. Right, what it mean by GCD? Now we need to select the number, and that number should be a greatest possible number where you can divide both the numbers. Since here we are using two numbers, otherwise there may be more than two. Now for example, see here, we can divide 15 by 3 and 45 by 3, both possible, but that is not a GCD. Why? There is a large number than that where we can divide 15 and 45. Next 5, you can divide 15 by 5, and 45 also you can divide, but that is not a GCD. 15, yes, right, you can't select a number greater than 15 as a GCD for 15 and 45. Now 15, you can divide this by 15, and this also you can divide by 15. Then GCD for 15 and 45 is 15. Now it should be clear what it mean by GCD. Now I am going to use here the formula tab. Here you get logical, text, date and time. So here we are going to use this mathematic function, right, math and trig. Right, here there are plenty. So in maths we commonly use GCD, LCM, so we can just apply it and see. Now here I am going to use GCD. I want the result here. So then it prompted us what is the number 1. So let's say you can type, otherwise you can select that particular cell, right, it will give the address. Then for the number 2, I can select this one. Here see, it is calculated. So select OK, here display the number, right. GCD. Then another common function, LCM, least common multiplier. What is least common multiplier? When you take these two number, we need to select the common number, right, which should be able to divide by this and this, 15 and 45. So here straight away you can guess, right, it will be 45. Once you select 45, you can divide by 45 and you can divide by 15. Right, now I want the result, let's say here, then I'll use this. Now this time I am going to use LCM. My first number 15, then second number 45, Now see here, already calculated. That is LCM, least common multiplier. Now if we put a number, let's say just we'll try it and see. Right, wait, erase this and we'll go to home tab and clear it. Okay, now I'll type here, let's say 20. Right, now I go to formula, math-centric, then I'll use LCM, then the second number is 45, third number is 20. Now see, 180 you can divide by 15, 45 and 20. There is no any value less than this, right? This is the least possible value. You can divide by all these three. That is known as LCM, right? So I'll just cancel it here. Then here you can use insert function. So here you can select the category, then similarly you can select whatever the function we need here. So I use LCM. Okay, then number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, likewise you can use function library. So GCD and LCM we commonly use in math. That is the main reason I use LCM and GCD. Now you should be able to fluently use. Once you watch this video, pointless of just watching, right? After completing, you need to take Excel sheet, do it on your own and test. Then only you can easily step by step improve. No need to memorize anything. Once you understand everything clearly, nothing to memorize. So this how you build, right, to increase your IQ level. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.